Alright, we're going to do Dusty's tech tip of the day. Zoe, you can help too? Alright, we're just going to clean this chain. This is the first time on this bike that we need to. We just take this little wire brush, we just clean each link. Come here, buddy. Just a fine little wire brush is all you need. And what do you think, Duster? Yeah, it tastes pretty good. Just clean it all up. Get the inside. This still had the original equipment grease on it, so the dirt really sticks to that. I like to wipe her down with a rag. And then when you're done, don't forget the Maxima chain guard and spray it on the inside. Oops, missed a little bit. Right, Dusty? And Zoe. Is that good enough job?